Let me ask you something. If I told you that you could make money just by typing from your laptop, from your phone, even sitting in your pajamas, would you believe me? And no, you don't need to be a professional writer or have some fancy degree in English literature. You just need a little skill, a little consistency, and the right game plan. So today, I'm going to walk you through how you can start earning money writing online in 2025. Whether you're in Africa, Europe, Asia, or America, even if you're starting completely from scratch, I'm talking about platforms that are hiring right now, real earning examples, and simple tips you can follow to actually land your first client. And trust me, once you get started, you wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Now, here's the thing. The internet has completely changed how the world works. 10 years ago, people cared about your location. Now, clients don't care if you're in Lagos, Nairobi, London, or New York. They only care about one thing. Can you give them quality writing? And can you deliver it on time? And that's it. And before we dive deep, quick reminder, if you're serious about building an online income in 2025, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I post new videos every single week about making money online, side hustles, and financial freedom. And I promise you, I only share tips that actually works. All right, let's start with the platform most beginners overlook but should absolutely try. First on my list is Upwork. Think of Upwork as the big global job marketplace for freelancers. You can create a profile, you can tell people what you can write about, and you start applying for jobs. Now, when you're new, don't expect to earn $100 per article right away. You might start with $5 to $15 per small piece, and that's okay. The trick is to go for quick, easy project in the beginning so you can get 5-star review fast. Then once people see you're reliable, you can slowly raise your prices. And yes, there are writers charging $200 or more for a single blog post. The next on my list is Fiverr. And I love Fiverr because you don't apply for jobs. You just set up your own store. You create what's called a gig. And an example of how the gig should look like should be like this. Let's just take, for example, I'll write engaging blog posts that rank on Google. Simple. Then you set your price and clients come to you. Here's my tip. Make your gig title super clear. Use a good profile photo. And yes, even a nice selfie works. And write your description in a way that makes clients think, wow, this person actually gets it. I don't know if I'm making myself clear. Next on my list is freelancer.com. This one is a mix between Upwork and Fiverr, and you'll find a lot of short-term jobs here, ranging from $10, $20, $50 per article. The competition can be high, but here is the secret. Personalize your proposals. Don't just copy and paste the same pitch to everyone. Mention the client's name, reference something in their project description, and show them you actually read their post. Then if you want to get started super fast, iWriter is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms. You sign up, take a short writing test, and boom, you can start working. The pay is lower in the beginning, but it's a great way to practice speed, accuracy, and writing for different clients. And as you level up, the pay increases. Now, if you want higher paying opportunities, there is Pro Blogger Job Board. Here, you're dealing with serious clients, established companies, and professional blogs. And the pay ranges from $50 to $500 per article, especially if you have niche expertise in areas like tech, finance, or health. And for my creative writers out there, Cerebral Magazine pays $100 to $300 for accepted poetry, essays, and creative work. It's competitive, but imagine having your name in a respected publication. That's a great confidence boost. And for those who want fast, direct connections, Writer Gig is perfect. Clients post jobs. You pick the ones you like and you deliver. And pay ranges from $10 to $100 per piece, depending on complexity. And for my African audience, you have your own platforms too. Terawork is basically the Fiverr of Africa. It's especially popular in Nigeria. And you can get paid in local or foreign currencies. And the best part is that many clients here understand your local context, which means less friction when discussing deadlines or payments. Now, here is where most beginners miss out. You don't have to rely only on these platforms. Social media is a gold mine. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, even Twitter, they are full of people looking for writers. Search for terms like freelance writing jobs or content writers needed and start networking. Engage with other writers. Post about your services and share samples of your work. Another powerful method is direct outreach. Make a list of local businesses, blogs, NGOs, anyone who posts online content. Email them. Keep it short, professional, and friendly. Introduce yourself, share 2 or 3 writing samples, and explain how you can help them. You will be shocked at how many response you're going to get. Now let's talk money because I know that's why you're here. As a beginner, expect $5 to $15 per 300 to 500 word article. Once you have 10 to 20 good reviews, you can move up to $25 to $75. Experienced writers are earning $100 to $500 per article. And yes, it's absolutely possible to hit $1,000 to $3,000 a month from freelance writing, even if you're in Africa, and as long as you're consistent and you're able to market yourself well. Here is how to make sure you get hired. First, build a simple portfolio, and you can use Medium or Google Drive. You don't need a fancy website. Number 2 is personalize your proposals. Make clients feel like you're speaking directly to them. Number 3 is deliver early and exceed expectations. Honestly, nothing builds trust faster than over delivering. Number 4 is learn basic SEO writing. Knowing how to write contents that rank on Google makes you way more valuable, trust me. And also, I want you to really picture this. A few months from now, you could be sitting in your favorite spots, maybe at home, maybe at a cafe, writing about topics you enjoy and getting paid in dollars, pounds, or euros. This could be your reality if you start today. So my question is, which platform are you going to try first? Are you going to try Upwork, Fiverr, Terawork, or maybe iWriter? Please drop your answer in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who's looking for extra income, and subscribe because we are just getting started. And remember, your words have value. Don't be afraid to put them out there.